I feel like you guys would really like some subtitles. What's up, everybody? My name is Trash, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to add subtitles to your stream. We're going to be using the basic idea of what we learned in our green screen video, I'll link to that down below, and applying it to a real-time caption website. Alright, so let's head on over there now. Okay, so the website that we're going to be using is called webcaptioner.com. You do /captioner on it. I'll have a link to it down below in the description. You're going to want to go down here. You're going to want to create an account, but for this, I'm just going to go into the settings, because this is how you save your settings. Alright. General, you can turn on or off profane language, and then you can also change how long it stays on screen. I'm going to leave that as it is right now. We're going to go over to appearance. We're going to change the text here. I'm going to change mine to roboto condensed, because that's what I like to use. You can change your text size, the line height, the letter spacing, all of that if you want. Change it to all be uppercase, first letter of each word, proper nouns, start of sentences. These are just basic settings that you can get through yourself. You can change the alignment and everything. I like to have mine in the middle, and then I put it at the bottom. All right. You can also do lower thirds if you would like, but I'm just going to use bottom because then it goes up higher, and I can adjust it as I want it. All right. Then you change the background color to some random color that you don't want your text color to be. All right. So for the sake of it, let's just go green. All right. Then we're going to go down. I'm not going to change the shadow at all. All right. The text color we can have as white, red, blue. Let's just go with like a nice blue. All right. That way it stands out really well against the green. Okay. So now we press the X over here. We click start captioning. It's going to request for your microphone. I'm going to press allow. And now it shows the fonts and the words and all that down below. Now, I say it's only about 80% correct most of the time. It really has to do with your accent. It does not like a Northern Ontarian accent, so I have a bit of an issue whenever I talk without trying to sound like an American. But this is essentially what you're going to do for the first step. All right. Okay, so the next step, we have to do it in OBS. This will also work in Streamlabs OBS. We're going to go right on down. We're going to click this little plus and click Window Capture. I'm just going to call it titles because I've already got one called subtitles. Press OK. We're going to go down to Chrome Web Captioner. I'm going to drag that down below so you can actually see what I'm talking about. So we're going to go onto there. We're going to go filters. Click that. We're going to do chroma key. Click on it. And it's already looking pretty okay. All right. It's not perfect, but it's definitely looking okay. So now you can change the similarity up a little bit. Change the smoothness, and then just change a little bit until it looks good for whatever color you're using. It really depends on whatever color font you chose. All right. So now we're going to press close on this. Now you're about to have a little bit of OBSception. I'm sorry. It's the easiest way for me to do it though, is we go and we'll look and we're like, oh no, there's a bunch of stuff on screen. But the titles now is below, so we want it above. We're going to right click onto it and we can click transform, edit transform. You can do it this way if you want to, but I honestly just find it way easier to just crop it. So I press alt and drag, and then we can see where everything is up above. Grab it there, and now I like to have mine at the top. You can have it at the bottom, whatever works best for you. And I just drag it so I've only got about one line, and then I move it up to the top of my screen. And again, I'm really sorry about the OBSception. And then you can just drag it out so it's the size that you want, or you could change the font size on the website if you want. Doesn't really matter. I go to transform and center horizontally. And now I'm gonna turn off the preview. I think that honestly looks the best that way, but that's pretty much all you have to do. And you can change whatever font you want, the font color. It's honestly a very simple process, and it adds that nice little extra kick to your stream that a lot of people don't have, and it's very inclusive for the hearing impaired because then they actually can see what's still going on and hear what you're saying without actually hearing what you're saying. They get what's going on. It's like closed captions, you know? So now you know how to set up subtitles for your stream. The only thing that I do notice is if you accidentally minimize the window, it won't record it anymore. So you have to keep it up, but you can have other windows in front of it and it'll be just fine. So that's pretty much everything. Thank you guys all so much for watching. My name is Trash. I stream over on Twitch a lot. If you guys feel like stopping on by, it's usually Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. Might be changing that up to being every day. Who knows? If you guys want to drop a like, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing, and I will see you guys in next week's video. See you later, everyone.
Sometimes I put my umbilical cord in your mouth while you sleep. Right here. Just let it dangle in there.
Oh, that's disgusting.